Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs for Hire. Today I'm gonna to teach you HRM Class 5 for BBA and MBA students, and today's topic is Performance Appraisal, which is one of the function of HRM. Performance appraisal means process of evaluating on an employee's performance on the job and giving feedback, ratings, rewards, or improvement suggestions. If sometimes training also will be provided by company. So here let's see the objectives of PA, performance appraisal. Evaluate performance, which means company check how well the employee is doing, which means like for example monthly work review. And next one, identify strength and weaknesses. Understand what the employee is good at and what needs improvement. For example, good in sourcing but weak in client handling. Next one, provide feedback. Guide employees to improve performance. For example, manager tells how to improve in perspective of work. Decide promotions and rewards. Salary hikes, bonus, promotions. For example, best performer gets incentives. Training needs. If any employee needs training, example communication training. Methods of performance appraisal. Rating scale method. Employee is rated to scale. For example, HR gives rating 4 out of 5 for punctuality. 360 degrees feedback. Manager, colleague, subordinate, self. For example, everyone gives review about an employee. Checklist method. Yes or no. Checklist of behaviors or tasks. For example, attends meeting on time. Yes. Management by objectives. Goals are set per month and they have to be achieved. For example, target. Hire 20 candidates but hired 18 candidates. Peer appraisal. Co-workers evaluate the employee. For example, teammates give feedback about teamwork. Let's talk about real-time HR example. For suppose a company has a HR recruiter and targets to close 15 positions in a month. At the end of the month, if she closes 18 positions and then gets a high rating 5 out of 5 bonus or promotion. If she closes only 5 positions, then her manager identify weak areas and suggest training. If this video is useful for you, please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.